Welcome, SATS students, to question number 8. And this question is just going to be another question that requires a few simple column methods. Let's take a read. It says Ken is playing a game. He has got 4,289 points. Then he scores another 355 points. Well, because it's another 355, that's an extra 355, which means we're going to add 355. And Ken's target is 6,000 points. So he's trying to get to 6,000 altogether. How many more points does Ken need to reach his target? Well, we've got to first of all add the 355 points that he scores on top of the 4,289. So that's going to be 4,289 plus 355. See where that gets us to. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put the 4 in, carry the 1. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus the 1 is 14. Put the 4 in, carry the 1 again. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus this one that we've just carried is 6. And 4 plus 0 is 4. So he's now got 4,644 points, but his target is 6,000. So it's how many more does he need to get from 4,644 up to 6,000? Well, what we need there is the difference. We're trying to find the difference. So to find the difference, if we do 6,000, take away 4,644, we will find the difference. Now the problem we're going to have here is there's lots of zeros on the top of this, so there's going to be a lot of borrowing to do. 0 take away 4 we can't do, so we go to the next column. That's also a 0, so we can't borrow from there, so we go to the next column. Now that's also a 0, and we can't borrow from there, so we go to the next column, which is a 6. We borrow from the 6, and that becomes a 5, and then one we've borrowed makes the next 0 into 10. But that's still no use, because we still can't do this 0 on the end, take away 4. So we borrow from the 10, and that becomes a 9. And then the one we borrowed makes the next 0 into 10. Then we borrow from that 10, and that becomes 9, and that makes the 0 on the end become 10. And now we can carry on. 10 take away 4 is 6, 9 take away 4 is 5, 9 take away 6 is 3, 5 take away 4 is 1. So how many more points does he need to reach his target? Your answer is 1,356, and that's what we need to put in the answer box. But it's good to realise here that this question is just an adding column method followed by a subtraction column method to get to our final answer.